Hello, Paul from Myrtle Car Wood Restoration. Here we have a couple of items from MGR V8, the glove box lid and a door capping. Now these were quite badly delaminated, the door capping, and the lacquer had become opaque, and the glove box lid was severely crazed, but we've managed to strip them and re-lacquer them. Keeps the continuity of the wood set in the car, the same colour next to the next part. We could have re-veneered them. This is an example of the elm veneer we're currently using, and as you can see, it's a little darker than the wood that's in this RV8. That's obviously had 20 years or 30 years probably of sunlight and bleached the wood to a slightly yellower tones, but that's the elm in its original form. But that's MGR V8, door capping and glove box lid.